Hello and welcome to this edition of Ask Andy. In this video we're going to look at participant lists, how we can create them and exactly what they are used for. So we've seen that we can start a session by clicking on the play icon either from the editor or from our dashboard here, and then our students or our participants can join our session manually entering the session ID. There's another option for joining a session, which if I click on these people icons, I can see the lists that I've already created. So if I then add my maths class there, the emails of my maths class are ready. I click on the send email notification and an email goes straight to their inbox. They click on the button to join the session and it just makes that joining process much quicker and easier than ever before. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can create our lists. So I'm going to head over from the dashboard by clicking on the burger icon, and then I'm going to click on participant lists, and this will then open. At the top of the page I've just got some info on the files that I'm using and the percentages of different file types, and underneath I've got my participant lists. Now I've created a whole bunch of kind of demo lists here in my account. Really easy to do. You'll notice that there's a Google Classroom button. If you are a Google Classroom user and you've already created all of your classes, you've already entered all the student names, all of their email addresses, if you actually allow them to use them, then you can import those classes with one click into Contribute Cloud. And it's really easy. So I'm just going to scroll down. Now my maths class is actually my Google Classroom, so I'm just going to delete these. You'll see that there's a confirmation there, and that deletion is permanent. You can't undo that, so just be careful when you use that button. Now, to import from Google Classroom, all I've got to do is click the Google Classroom button. The system heads over to your Classroom account. I'm already logged in. You may need to log into your Google account first. And if I scroll to the bottom of this list, my maths class with my 3 students has imported. Now this process is exactly the same whether you have 20 classes with 30 students in each, or whether you have one class with 3 students as I have in my account. So just like one click of the button, all of your Classroom accounts are then imported into Contribute Cloud. Now it does only import the active Classroom accounts that you have, so if you have any classes that you've archived, they of course will not come through. You can create the lists manually as well. So if I create a new list, and I'm just going to call this one New List, and I'm going to hit Create New. My new list appears at the bottom. I'm then going to click on the Add and Manage, and you can see that my list is empty. So I'm going to enter a name. Let's add me to this account, and we're going to add the email, which is andy@andy.com. So I've done that there. I'm going to hit Add Participant, and you can see that my participant is now added to the list, and we're good to go. So what does this mean? Well, I'm going to close my list there. I'm going to head back over to the dashboard. Instead of clicking play on the workbook, I'm going to hit the people icon. I'm going to scroll down to my new list. I'm going to add my new list. You can see that the email has appeared for the student that we added, and then I'm going to click on Send Email Invitation. That email invitation has now been sent to the inbox. The student then clicks on that link, the button that's in there, and they'll be taken straight into the account. Really easy. If you found this video useful, please do like, subscribe and share, and you can watch the next video by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching.